In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make $20 a day utilizing what I'm about to show you. All of that's coming right up in today's video. What's going on, stackers? So today I'm going to show you this real easy method that you can actually do to start banking and start making $20 a day. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than an internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, $20 a day, this is going to be pretty easy as long as you follow what I show you. Now, you're going to need a couple of things to do this. You're going to need a Canva account, and you'll see why in a minute, and a PayPal account. So, let's dive into this. What are we going to be doing? Well, we're going to be creating thumbnails and selling them to small businesses. Now, these businesses can be any type of business as long as they've got a YouTube channel, because that's how we're going to find these businesses. Now, for this instance, I brought up Car Dealership Avondale. Now, Avondale is in Arizona, and I found this by using the keywords car dealership and then go into Google and type in list of cities in Arizona. Now, you can do this in any state, any country, just to find a list of cities and then use your keywords with those cities. So there's going to be an unlimited amount of businesses that you can actually get in touch with. So if you're going to do a car dealership, you can put Car Dealership Avondale, Benson, Buckeye. You could even do cleaners in Avondale, Benson, Buckeye. There's an unlimited amount of keywords and cities that you can combine together to find small businesses to sell your services. Now, with the car dealerships, as you can see, I've also, I actually forgot to mention this, filtered by this month and or this year. This means you're going to find videos on channels for businesses that are actually quite active, because you don't want to try and sell your service, these thumbnails, to a YouTube channel which is 6 years old and hasn't posted any content within 2 years. So just remember that. So keywords car dealership Avondale, I filtered by this month, and now this has pulled up quite a lot of videos on channels that have regularly posted this month. And I've opened this one, Avondale Toyota, into a new tab. Now, as you can see, their thumbnails aren't really that great, and they're not getting many views on their videos, but they're posting quite a lot. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail in a minute, and it's really, really simple, and you can make them look really professional. But once you've found a business, you would want to go to the About page. Then if we go here, we can see there's some contact information here. Now, normally most businesses put their email address here, which this one hasn't. But that doesn't matter, because if we scroll up, they also have a Facebook page, and you could contact them through Facebook and offer your services. You can simply say, hey, I'm a graphics designer. I make YouTube thumbnails for small channels to help them get more exposure and more business, something along them lines. I've noticed that your thumbnails don't really pop. Now, when it comes to YouTube and thumbnails, your thumbnail is your first impression. If no one clicks on your thumbnail, they're not going to get to see your videos or to even see your business. Now, I sell thumbnails, usually $20 each. If you're interested, my first 2 thumbnails will be completely free, and if you like them, we can work something out. Something along those lines, and always give your first thumbnails away for free, because that just provides value. They can see what your work is like and whether or not they want to purchase. Now, I've pulled up another car dealership here in Scottsdale, which is also in Arizona. Let that load up for a minute. And as you can see, their thumbnails are okay. They're actually getting a fair few views, but their thumbnails could be that little bit better. As you can see, their writing is really small and you can't really see what it says. Now again, we would go to the About page and we would see if they have an email address. As you can see, this one has. So you would just click View the email address, go to click Submit, like that, do the captcha. These captchas are a pain in the arse. Just hit click Submit. And now we have an email address that we can contact and offer our services to. So, with all that, now that I've shown you, I'm now going to show you how to easily create these thumbnails. This is Canva. This is a graphic software. You don't need any experience. This is really easy to do. All I've gone is to the YouTube thumbnail, so it gives me the right dimensions. On here are the layouts, and you can use any of these. So we could click this one. Now all we would do is go over to Pixabay, type in car dealer, and see what images come up. Now with Pixabay, you are allowed to use all of these images for free. Now as we can see, we've got a few pictures here. We could take this one, then we would download that, like so. Now what you can also do, if they are interested in working with you and they do want their thumbnails done, you can just get images from them, so you can use their pictures. So let's just put that in there for a minute. There we go. We would change out this picture. We'll delete that. Then we'll add that in there. As you can see, this is already starting to look better than their thumbnails. Now, depending on the video is what you would put actually on the thumbnail. For this instance, I'm just going to put car dealership. And as you can see, it looks pretty professional compared to their thumbnails. That's why we can make these, we can make as many as we want. We can give the first couple away for free to see if they like that. And doing this, you will get people or small businesses that will want to buy these from you. And with what I've just shown you, there's an unlimited amount of businesses that you can find out there to sell this service to. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.